Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this kilo silver bar. We're looking for top spot, gets this kilo. We are live at 10:48. We got the list here. We got 5 entries. We got Sheldon on the top, Dan on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 10 times, 10:48. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. We got Pete on the top. We must go 10. Good luck at 10:48. 10:48. Last and final roll. Top spot gets it. Congratulations goes to spot 1, Michael. Congratulations, Michael. Go ahead and send me a PM. I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. You're done at 10:49. 10:49. Congratulations, Michael. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good night.